This protest, they pass through the police. They are with guns. They wait inside to attack our country. They are there right now.
Are here to attack us, and nothing has been done. They have not been arrested. I want it to be in the full clear of the world that the Nigerian police is becoming complacent. It is discharging their responsibility of protecting lives. So when this comes to violence, you should know the Nigerian police and the Commissioner of Police of Lagos responsible for whatever that happens here. Yes, because we are not going to live here. Yes, we are going to die here. Yes, we fought the military dictatorship. We cannot afford to go into civilian dictatorship. We fought the military. We cannot allow the Tinubu and his everything to intimidate us. They attack us in Island. They attack us in Island. The Agbero attack us in Island.
Of the end bad governance protest in Lagos, we are now at Ojota. Some hoodlums, some thugs pass through here now. They are armed. They pass through the police. They went inside there to attack our leaders, the leaders of the protest, our comrades. They are inside there attacking them now. Our comrades went inside to set up the sound system so as to address us. But it is so unfortunate that these thugs passed through all these armed policemen and still went inside there to attack our leaders. The leaders of the protest, our comrades. Nigeria should do something. The international community should come to our aid. Tinubu wants to kill us. The president wants to kill all Nigerians. Please come to our aid.
In fact, let me go back to 1981, where minimum wage is $221. Because exchange rate now 56 kobo. So when NLC say we can give us 600 plus thousand as minimum wage, then nobody that they talk. So this 70,000 naira now still poverty wage. You know, buy rice for market. The same politicians, they share our money. That's why one of the things when they talk for this protest, we say, make our politicians put themselves for minimum wage. All political officers on what? Minimum wage. All political officers on what? Minimum wage. Because if they wear the shoe, if they pinch them, they go not say when people say the money whether they pay workers, you know they know. You know, stop there. People will not get to work. Nigeria, they rich enough to pay unemployment allowance. My comrade don't talk about police union. It's very important. Make we talk and make we emphasize that. Nigeria get military rule. Our police not be military force. Our police get right. And everything when they back give them, they come with people we don't carry stones, we don't carry stones. But our policemen no fit talk. Our police officers they no fit talk. Because they don't give them appropriate things to go confront robbers, to go confront politicians where they loot our money. If they get their own union, their union will be ask them questions and make them say this for. Make on provide all the appropriate things where we take to our work. And the number one problem of security is not to buy more guns, not to create jobs, build industries, make education free. The boss wey stand here today, na Jakonde send us go school. Because that time, we get government wey stand on social democracy. Say education go free, health go free. If we look Lagos here, this Lagos, where the Tinubu don rule all these years, all the major thing of development for here, na Jakonde lay the foundation. Now how we want to go see the sea wey dey everywhere. I don't want to. How this want to? All these things not to sell. When the Yoruba they come, I come to later. The one we get for house and they carry and they sell.
If we know they are, and they direct attention to them, we arrest them and take them out of this place.
How is this correct?
And the fears of the protesters, because they say they don't want to say that because they can't be paid. They feel they are not serious if they're going to the bank.
How can they feel like that? I don't know, you have to pretend that. I've identified with them. We had a peaceful protest yesterday, and we have assured them today's process will be very simple.
But sir, some are saying that since a peaceful protest was held yesterday outside, the same can also be repeated today. Some are saying that since a peaceful protest,
We don't want them outside.
Okay, now what would be the next line of action? Should the protesters refuse to go inside? What would be the next line of action?
We continue to appeal to them to go inside. There's no other line of action and to continue to appeal and beg them.